Hello friends, how are you? Akshay here. I hope you are able to hear me through the mask. So I had come outside and I thought, why not share some secrets with you? These secrets are open secrets, you already know. I'm just going to trigger you to get back and to remember as well. So friends, in this video I'm going to share how to be. Simply how to be. It's not about how to be confident, how to be inspirational, how to be a money magnet, how to be a person of love. It's simply about how to be. And this secret, my friends, if you know, then every other thing like being confident, being attractive, being happy, everything falls from this. And the secret is how to be. And you know how you can be, how you can be anything. If you can simply be, then you can be anything. And I will share with you how you can be. The secret of how you can be is based on answering certain questions. And friends, if you understand this, then sadness may not be able to touch you, lack of confidence may not be able to touch you, poverty won't touch you, depression won't touch you, losing confidence won't touch you, nothing will be able to touch you. Haven't you already seen this? You must have already witnessed this in your life, right? Those moments when you are, no matter what happens on the outside, right? Whether you have a job or not, whether you have a business or not, whether you are in a relationship or not, whether you are married or divorced, whether you have parents or don't have parents, whether you have children or not have children, there are certain moments in your life when you have been the happiest, irrespective of whatever happens on the outside, right? So how does that happen? And haven't you seen this, that the harder you try to do something, the more you run after something, the harder it becomes to capture it. The more you try to perform at your job, the more difficult does it get. Harder you try to be healthier, more tension you begin to take. The more nutritious food you eat, more problems you end up having in your stomach. The harder you try to sleep, harder it becomes to sleep. Friends, the thing is, whatever you're going to try to be, you will keep on trying, right? You already know this. All you have to be is just be. But what is that be? What is that thing that you need to be so that everything gets solved? We all know that we have to be there, right? Like no matter what happens, whether there is sadness or happiness, we are actually joyful inside, right? So how do we do that? The secret, my friends, is very simple. The secret is knowing that one thing. And when I am saying that one thing cannot be explained in words, cannot be seen. I cannot make you feel that either. You already know what I am talking about. That's inside you. So you have to remember and question yourself. What is that one thing, that one experience which is always there with you, always there inside with you, which if you have, you are willing to leave everything and you have already experienced that thing. If you wouldn't have experienced that thing, you wouldn't have lost your peace, you wouldn't be searching for anything. Haven't you seen the eyes of people around you constantly looking, right? They're moving left, right, up, down, and when you try to say a hello to them, they always seem lost, looking for something. Similarly, when you're talking to them, you would have seen your friends, your family members, even you are not paying attention. They say they are listening, but they are not there, right? So they are looking, they are actually listening and looking for something that they already have heard before. And haven't you seen that You want to have the same kind of experiences again and again, whether it's related to taste, smell, experience, bodily pleasures like sex or whatever it is. You're always wanting that experience, but the more you try to get it, the harder it gets. The reason for that, my friends, is you're not looking for the same experience, you're looking for the same thing that always existed inside you, and you already know that, and it's the absence of that which has made you look for it. So the question, the secret that you have to ask is, what is that thing that is inside me which I experienced while I was trying to do something? Whether I heard that music, after which I got bored. What happened during that experience when I heard that music for the first time? What happened when you had your first kiss? What happened when you got your first salary? What happened when you had your last fight? What changed in that experience? If you can understand what changed in that experience inside you, not outside, inside you, then no matter what happens outside, you will always be in that experience. Haven't you seen this, that you are very sad, but suddenly you meet the same friend, or you remember the same incident, and suddenly you begin to glow, your eyes begin to sparkle, your body begins to tingle, and you smell great, right? So what is that thing that changes inside you? You have to question that, and you already know what that is. And that is the secret, my friends. You have to just sit by yourself and look inside and question it. I regularly do it myself and use different kind of tools and techniques to do so. You can create your own technique, and once you have understood that, or you have taken help of a mentor to do so, you will be able to find that one thing. If you have, then no matter what happens on the outside, you will always be happy. Until the time you don't find it, you will always be looking. So friends, I hope you understood what I am talking about. Let me know in the comments. Do drop in your love and like as well. Share with your friends, and if you have any questions, let me know. I would be happy to clarify. And do check the description box, there might be some interesting links for you as well. So this is Akshay, IITian turned transformer. We'll catch with you soon in the next video. Take care.